Living things need energy to survive. At the cellular level, cells get their energy from molecules of adenosine triphosphate or ATP, which fuel cellular processes. To make ATP, glucose is required. This process of turning glucose into ATP is called cellular respiration. Animals like humans get their glucose from food, while plants get their glucose from a process involving the sun's light. This is called photosynthesis. In this video, I will compare photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Photosynthesis is a process of synthesizing glucose. It happens because of light and a molecule in plant cells called chlorophyll. Light causes chlorophyll to release an electron, which fuels other processes that turns adenosine diphosphate or ADP into ATP and water and nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate ion NADP+ into oxygen, water vapor, and NADPH, another high energy substance. The ATP and NADPH help convert carbon dioxide into glucose, then turn back into ADP and NADP+, and repeat the process. On the other hand, cellular respiration is a process of using glucose. First, glucose is decomposed into pyruvate in glycolysis, which releases ATP. Then the pyruvate is turned into acetyl coenzyme A, which reacts with oxaloacetic acid to become citric acid. The citric acid will be broken back down into oxaloacetic acid in the citric acid cycle, turning NAD+ and FAD into NADH and FADH2 and releasing ATP. NADH and FADH2 donate their electrons to electron acceptors, turning them back into NAD+ and FAD. Oxygen is the last electron acceptor, which is the reason why we need to breathe. The electron donation process releases hydrogen ions, whose movement turns ADP into ATP. The entire process takes place in the mitochondria and generates 36 ATP molecules to be used by the cells. Photosynthesis only occurs in plants and some protists and archaea, while cellular respiration occurs in all life. Photosynthesis synthesizes and stores glucose, while cellular respiration utilizes it. Photosynthesis needs light, carbon dioxide, and water, while cellular respiration needs oxygen and glucose. Finally, both processes synthesize and utilize ATP and are needed for survival of many organisms. Both processes are needed for life on Earth, but the air around the life on Earth is getting dirtier. We must clean up our air in order for life to continue flourishing and for us humans to survive, since photosynthesis and respiration would become harder with dirty air.